Hey there, Sharon Peterson here with simplycanning.com, where you can find home canning food tutorials, tips, and advice. And come visit me there and I will help you get your pantry filled. So my question today is from Martha, who lives in Ames, Iowa. Her question is, can I safely can apples by water bath without sugar? I used apple juice before and they turned out great with no syrup at all. So yes, absolutely. You can use apple juice. You can use grape juice. Either one of those are a great substitute for water and sugar syrup. It's still gonna make the apple sweet and it's gonna preserve it and everything works fine. It is safe to can apples in just plain water. I hesitate when I say that because honestly, I think it's not going to taste very good. Apples are pretty juicy in themselves anyway, and when you process it with just water, what it's going to do is it's going to pull the juice out of those apples and mix it all in with the water, and your apples are going to be pretty bland. And so I think your quality will be poor, but it is safe. So with that caveat, I would recommend either an apple juice or a grape juice base if you don't want to do the sugar water. You can also use a honey sweetener instead of sugar if you like honey. I would do kind of a light flavored honey. You know, honey has different flavors. And so if you get something that's got a really deep, strong honey flavor, you're going to overwhelm the flavor of your apples. But it is another way to sweeten up those jars. So I hope that was helpful. You guys have a great day. Be sure to visit me at simplycanning.com. And I'm going to go ahead and put a link to the canning apples tutorial down below so that you can check it out if you need full instructions. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.